Hi, this video explains how to create a John and Ginger ambassador account. What you need to do is go to the johnandginger.co.uk website, scroll right to the bottom, and there's a link there on the first column called ambassadors. If you click on that, this will load up a page explaining everything about the ambassador program. And you can either click on this join the ambassador program link, or you can click on click here to join now. When you click that, you will get taken to a page with a form asking for your information to create the account. So what we're going to do here is complete that. So you need a username. A username is not your email address, but in my case, I'm just going to write, and then I'm going to set a password. And use any email address, but if you use the same email address as a John and Ginger customer account, at some point in the future, they will be linked together and you'll be able to see your conversion stats within your John and Ginger account. So again, I'm just going to use name if you are a company, because any commission payments will come back to you personally or can go to your company. So we'll need your company name and your VAT or tax number. The website address is required, but it's just really needed for us to know what sort of channels you'll be using to generate traffic. So if you have a website or a blog, if you have a Facebook page or a Instagram or any social media account, just put the website address in there so we know the kind of traffics you'll be sending through and the branding you'll be using. Enter your first name, last name, street address, postcode, and at the bottom it'll ask for your PayPal address. Now this sometimes is different to your normal email address, so we're asking for the PayPal address so that when commission is paid out, it's paid out directly back into your PayPal account. There's no checks or bank transfers in this case. We just pay straight back into your PayPal account. Once you've completed all that, you make sure you click the I understand box and click the create my account. Has been confirmed, you can go back to the login screen, which is here, and you can put in your username and password and log in. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard for the first time. You'll see you get £5 bonus the moment you start. You'll get your unique tracking link, which you can put in any marketing campaign. When someone clicks on that link, they'll be taken to the John and Ginger website homepage. Any traffic that comes through will come through on the bar graph down here to show what people have come through. And then we've got another video now on how to create unique tracking links. So if you need to land on a specific page on the John and Ginger site and track it, there's a guide for that in our video playlist. Okay.